Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting, or I will be making a video for Ademola Patrick that placed a comment on this video I made about the CBEX trading platform. It says kindly do a research also on PCEX. That should be PC Exchange. So when I saw this comment, just 5 hours ago, I said, okay, let me jump on it, because whenever you drop a comment for me to make a research, I jump on it immediately so that people don't get scammed. So the entire essence of this whole thing I'm doing is so that people, innocent people, don't get scammed out of their money. So I do all the research and I put it before your face so that you can decide if you still want to go ahead with any kind of platform or not. And please note, I've been seeing some comments on some of my videos saying, oh, you are being paid by one person, oh, because these people refuse to pay you, you are doing this. No, nobody's paying me for this. And I'm very objective. I do the research so that you all can see and make your decision for yourself. Okay. So when I saw this comment, I said I'm going to swing into this immediately because I don't like to keep you all waiting, right? So what is PCEX exactly? I searched Google first and foremost, and I found PCEX exchange, right? So PCEX demonstrate commitment to legal and transparent operation through MSB registration. Take note, this is very important. Through MSB registration, recharge, withdraw, convert, contact us, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it's a crypto exchange platform, and of course investment platform by extension. Now I visited the website, and of course I saw this. So PCEX Exchange Global Professional Station. So this is like the business name, I guess. Is an innovative digital asset trading platform that serves professional trading users around the world, and is committed to discovering high quality and innovative digital asset investment opportunities. Currently, it provides more than 40 digital assets products, trading and investment services headquartered in the United States. Let's hold this as well. It is operated by PCEX Exchange Global Professional Station Team. PCEX Exchange is the world's leading blockchain asset financial service provider. It has provided high quality service to millions of users in more than 130 countries around the world. It has independent offices, trading operations, and operations center in Singapore, South Korea, Hong Kong, and medium-sized countries and regions. PCEX Exchange and sub-brands is a leading position in the world in terms of technology platform, product line, security risk, control system operation, and customer service. Right. So like I said, remember that the first Google search I showed you, you saw something, which I also want to point out here. Look, PCS demonstrate commitment to legal and transparent operation through MSB registration. So that means it has MSB license. If you don't know what MSB license means, it's just a regulatory um, documentation or certification, right? And that certification is issued um, by FinCEN. So FinCEN is the body that actually regulates platforms like this, right? So again, if you're able to acquire a license from FinCEN, that means you are regulated by FinCEN. Then to an extent you can say that particular platform is legit, because there is a very strong regulatory body that is overseeing the operations of that particular platform. So I want you to understand this, right? It's just like, for example, maybe you are, I don't know what country you are watching from, but if you are in, let's say, Nigeria, for instance, there's something called EFCC, right? So something that can actually say, yes, this particular business is legit, or this business is a scam. Recently they released a list of about 58 quote unquote Ponzi schemes, right? And while I was also searching, because this person who has this question is obviously in Nigeria, I want to believe, I discovered that the EFCC has actually issued a warning on uh, PCEX exchange before now, right? On grounds that they're operating in gray areas, and the regulatory body is not too certain. So yes, they claim it's MSB, they have MSB registration, but is it true? That is the question we need to ask ourselves. Now I'll show you how to check. I'm not telling you anything in this video, I'm just checking, right? Understand this, I'm just checking. So let's check this MSB registration for ourselves, right? And if you want to check, you need to go to this website, fincen.gov. All right, this is fincen.gov. And if you go to fincen.gov, you can now go to okay, let me just go directly to the website. So hold on. So if you go to fincen.gov, you would see MSB. So money service business information. This is where you want to go. So MSB Registrant Search and MSB registration is what PCEX exchange claim that they have. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is, for example, there is an exchange called Kraken that has very high operation in the US. I've used Kraken, right? Like super sweet exchange. I'm going to show it on my phone very soon. I actually have Kraken and I use it. So let's search for something I know. See, I've done some searches before. That's why you see this. So let's search for Kraken, right? So I'll just do enter and look at Kraken. You see? So Kraken Capital Foundation, so again you can see, right? So if you click on it, it will download the MSB registration for you. It will show you the details of everything, the address, and so on and so forth. 110 16th Street, Suite 1800, Denver, CO, everything. It will show you state of MSB activities. It will show you everything. See that? So now let us search for our stuff, right? Which is PC exchange. So I can now do legal name PCX. So you see, system could not find matching data. Now let me search for PC exchange. So again, this is the first time I'm searching for PCX exchange. Let's search if we find anything. System could not find matching data. So I've searched for PCX, no matching data. I've searched for PCX exchange, no matching data, right? So that's another I would say red flag on this exchange. Again, of course I checked the year. I mean, the domain name itself, PCX, has been registered for a long time. Of course, there's no way I can follow up. But another thing I like to check, apart from the claims of which regulatory body you know oversees the operations of a particular exchange, because that is one thing that will let you know that, okay, this particular platform is legit or not. And you can go ahead and search for other platforms that I've always talked about on this channel. You can search them and see if you actually have anything coming up. So I just want people to be very careful with their money, especially this period where we know how the economy is. There is the tendency for people to introduce different kind of investment. We just need to be very careful, right? Now let's check out let's check out, because of course you can see they have the app on I think the Play Store. Yeah, Play Store and App Store. So Android and Apple, right? So what I will do is I'm going to just use my mobile device and I will scan. I'll scan this, and then so that it would show up on my mobile device. Yeah. Okay, so checking Android. You see, so this is another problem. The app is not on the Play Store. The app is not on the Play Store. And look at what it says when I try to download it. Oh, okay. I think I just need to show my mobile device. So let me try and connect my mobile device it's so that you can see what the message I'm getting while trying to download the app, right? So let me show you all. So you see my mobile device screen. I don't know if it's visible. I don't think it is visible, but this is what I'm saying, that file might be harmful. Do you want to download PCEX, app? Again, any app that you cannot put on the Play Store so that we can have reviews. Because if your app is directly on the Play Store, then we can actually check and see the reviews uh, um, from the app. And let us also look at while I'm trying to start my mobile device. While I'm trying to start my mobile device, let us also look at a site called ScamAdviser, right? And look at the ratings on the app. So if you look at it, and especially most of these platforms where you have like an incentive to provide ratings and all, it's very difficult for me to really trust such platforms, right? And i'm trying to I'm trying to show my phone screen so that you see what I'm saying, guys. But my phone screen seems okay. It's coming up now. Yeah. So let's look at um scam advisor. Okay. So scamadvisor.com. So on scamadvisor.com, I can easily check the website, see the score, and see ratings, right? And again, everything I'm doing, nobody is giving me a dime. Most times I make these videos based off of your comments and so on, right? So PCEX.com. Let's check it. It's a website. So check scam and look at this scamology. This website has been reported by scam killers as possible scam. I'm not the one saying all this. Look at the trust score, 1/100. Look at the ratings, right? So again, I am not the one saying all these things. Look at, it's a deliberate scam. I have lost this amount of money to the scam site, but BMB, okay. So again, I was able to recover. Blah, blah, blah. So you want to actually check all these things, right? And be sure. So for me, the biggest red flag for me is the fact that they claim to have MSB registration, and on checking, they do not have it. Now, if you are not still convinced and you want to still be sure that they don't have it, you can send a message to fincen.gov/contact, right, with the name of this company, the name which I showed you, asking if what their MSB registration status currently is. So if you're not still convinced from this video, you can send a message asking what the registration status is. So again, if the MSB registration they claim to have on the website is not very very verifiable and clear, look at it, MSB registration. If it's not verifiable and clear enough, and we can search the actual MSB website and find them, that is the biggest red flag for me. Every other thing is just, secondary, right? I'm not even concerned about how much their high rates and all those kind of things. I'm not concerned about that. For me, the biggest red flag is that I've searched FinCEN and I can't find a PCEX exchange, right? And every other thing I have talked about in this video. So there you have it. To my person who commented, Ademola Patrick, this is me investigating on your behalf. So I hope you make do with this video what you will. And please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I'm all about ensuring that the cyberspace remains safe for everyone, especially those trying to invest and put their money into various online investments. Make sure you are not deceived, because yes, there are online investments that make you money, but there are um, um, a lot of platforms that are actually Ponzi scheme but tend to disguise as legitimate investment. There are a lot that are outright scam. So if you're interested in legit online businesses that can make you money from the comfort of your home, please, no matter where you are in the world, comment business, type business in the comment section. I would make videos that will help you invest wisely, whether online or offline. The channel is about business. I make videos that can help you invest your money online, offline, whatever you want to do, and so that everybody can prosper and generally be safe online. Don't lose your money to Ponzi scheme. Don't lose your money to online scams. I remain my own self innocent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.